Yo, I literally just woke up, but I gotta get this out to you guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What is going on, everyone? My name is Mike and you guys are watching Sperando. Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Mike Sperando. I make tech videos here on YouTube. So if you're new, if this is your first ever video, welcome. Join the family by hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. And in the top right hand corner of this video, you're gonna see a little I. Hit that and that will be my last 3 uploads on YouTube. Go check them out as well, because there's a lot of content coming your way and that has already previously come to you. So in this video, I want to talk about something that was literally just released, like literally just released. IGTV, Instagram TV. So this is essentially a part of Instagram, but it's going to be separate within the next couple months. They're testing it out right now. This is what's going on. Instagram is creating a separate platform where you can specifically just upload video. Now, there's a lot of pros and a lot of cons to this because like they are separating from themselves. They are branching out, but like some of the pros are that you could upload up to an hour long. Like an hour-long video you could upload to Instagram. Now this is good because specifically the first thing that came to my mind are vloggers on Instagram. You could record videos and post them to Instagram for an hour for your users to watch. Following it with a con, one of the cons of this is that it is I forgot the con. So one of the cons is it has to be taken from your camera roll. Now obviously with updates in the near future, within the next couple months or maybe even year, Instagram is going to utilize it so you could record straight from Instagram. But again, that's going to take up a lot of battery if you record from Instagram, so might as well just start from your camera roll, record a video and upload it to IGTV for your users to see. Now of course we're gonna keep jumping back and forth. We went from a pro to a con back to a pro. Now a pro about this app, every single video is vertical. Now we know that Instagram is famous for uploading vertical, is known for uploading vertical photos, videos, whatever the case may be. But now on IGTV, you could specifically upload 1 hour long vertical videos. Now, the first thing that came to my mind when I thought about this was vloggers. We can now have vloggers on Instagram, but here's the catch. The only way to record is from your camera roll. So you're gonna have to record your whole entire hour vlog, or it doesn't even have to be an hour, but like an hour long max vlog on your camera roll, and then it has to go over to IGTV, which like I don't know how that's going to be. It might be very time consuming, but at the end of the day, it might be pretty cool. So I've done enough talking. I've told you guys a pro, a couple cons, but let's get right into the application itself. Now wait, here's the catch. There isn't an application yet, which is one of the cons. You have to go through Instagram if you want to go to IGTV, which kind of stinks, but at the same time, it gives you incentive to use Instagram. But in the top right-hand corner, we have a little shortcut for IGTV. We are going to hit that. When we hit that, we are greeted with a couple tabs and a search tab. Now, the search tab is going to allow you to search anyone on Instagram that has uploaded content to IGTV. Now, if we go down a little bit, we have some sub-tabs. We have For You, Following, Popular, and Continue Watching. So For You is going to be a tab specifically recommended videos on Instagram, whether you follow them or don't follow them, where you can check out what they uploaded to IGTV. But again, the catch, it has to be from your camera roll. And once it's from your camera roll, which is kind of good actually after I think about it, because you could go into like an editing software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut and make a video in vertical and like then upload it to. That's pretty cool actually. Following are people that you specifically follow that has uploaded to IGTV, Instagram TV. So as you guys can see, I have some people and they aren't uploading long videos. These are probably little promo videos saying, hey, we're on IGTV now, make sure you see us for more content. So we got like Matt Coleman, What the Chick, Bleak Film, I don't know, I can't talk, I literally just woke up. We also have Popular, so these are the popular ones on Instagram. But we have Kim Kardashian, Selena Gomez, Ninja, of course, why wouldn't he make an IGTV, MKBHD, Daquan, oh my god, there's a lot of people that actually uploaded to this already. I'm gonna have to check this out when I'm done making this video. And Continue Watching. So these are the ones that I started. I didn't even know I started any, honestly, but I guess I did. There's also a settings tab where you could create a channel. Actually, let's do that right now. Create a channel. IGTV is a new space to create and engage your audience with longer videos. Share longer videos. With longer videos than a minute, you can do more. Built for vertical, like I told you guys before, IGTV is built for full screen vertical video, so it's made to watch on mobile. Create channel. Okay, so now as you guys can see, when I hit create channel, it creates a little shortcut of your IG logo on the app. So when we hit that, it tells you, okay, it tells you how many followers I have on Instagram, and it tells you my bio. If I go to the top right hand corner, I can hit the plus button and then upload from my camera roll a video for IGTV, which is pretty dope. Now I want to go back to my Instagram specifically. I have to plug before I end the video, guys. Of course I do, of course. So follow me on Instagram at Mike Sperando. I will be checking out your accounts, following you guys back. And yeah, I got a lot to offer. I'm a photographer, videographer, visual artist from Philly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys learned a little bit about IG, Instagram, TV. If you did, you guys know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you are going to utilize it, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you think this is going to be a success for Instagram itself, whether it is a part of Instagram or separate from Instagram, give this video a big thumbs up. Join the family by hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. And until the next video, you guys know what to say. Say it with me one time. Ow, I ran out of breath. Follow me on Instagram at Mike Sperando. One time, say it with me. Sperando!
Scribble inside of a diary. It take a lot to inspire me. I gotta switch up environments. I think the audit requires it. Parents discussing retirement. Not in position to wire it. Happy they love it, admire it. I keep on dropping the fire shit. Oh, I flow. I just keep my nose down to the grindstone.